Hi guys, welcome to Flux Strength. This is Work For Wednesday, week 5. We're going to go over a bunch of different exercises and different stability drills for the knee in the next 4 weeks. So we're going to start off talking about the hyperextended athlete. We see a lot of hyperextended knees, especially with runners. You'll get knee pain, sometimes behind the knee or even on the anterior medial side of the knee. It also is predisposes you to ACL injury, so if you're an athlete that feels like your knee is locking out every time you step, it's going to predispose you to different types of tears with some of the ligaments in the knee. So you want to try to strengthen up the muscles in that area as much as you can. One of the reasons that you get the hyperextended knee, there's a bunch of different reasons. Some of them are joint laxity caused by certain conditions like Marfan's or different joint laxity diseases. We're just going to touch on one of the main ones, and that's muscle imbalances. And a lot of times with the hyperextended knee, it's because there's a quad imbalance, where the quad is not firing properly or it's inhibited. So we're going to go over an exercise that's going to help you to stabilize your knee by strengthening up the front of your leg and the quadricep. All we need is a simple furniture slider. You can get these on Amazon for like 10 bucks. And then I kind of added in a little bit of resistance here to pull your knee inwards. So you can try to press out against that. And all you're going to do is put your slider on the outside of, or on the back leg. And unlike a normal lunge, you want to try to keep almost like a forward posture with a little bit of hinge in your hip. And you're just going to slide back and then use that left quad to pull you back up. Keeping your rib cage over top of your pelvis the whole time. And really try as best as you can to isolate the work in that quad. When you're coming back up, come up about 80%, so not all the way, because obviously what we're trying to do is avoid locking out that knee. And then when you're done, you can switch legs. So there's a simple drill to try to strengthen up the quad and avoid that hyperextended knee. Hope you guys learned something, and we'll see you guys next week.